Static equilibrium by Silas Johnson. Static in this context means not moving, and the word equilibrium means balanced forces. And this next slide I'll be talking about a ping pong ball. Ping pong ball slide. Ping pong ball is floating on top of the water, which is a buoyant force, and gravity is pulling down on it, which is making static equilibrium. This floating ping pong ball force diagram tells that the buoyant force is pushing up on the ping pong ball, and the gravity is pulling down and making it static equilibrium. Tigger forces. The tension force is divided into two because Tigger is being hung by two pieces of rope. The gravity is pulling down on Tigger and making it into static equilibrium. Since Tigger has two tension forces and the tension forces added up equal to gravity, that then both of the tension forces equal up to the gravity, making static equilibrium. White block force. Gravity and normal force. The gravity is pulling down on the block, and the normal force is the desk, which is pushing up, holding it still and making it into static equilibrium. The block diagram shows that gravity is pulling down and the normal force is pushing up, and they both equal out into static equilibrium. Me forces. The gravity is pulling down on me, and the normal force, which is the floor, is pushing up on me, and I am going into a state which is static equilibrium. The normal force is pushing up and the gravity is pulling down, and this is happening at the same time. They both equal out, making me into static equilibrium. Coke. The gravity is pushing down on the Coke, pulling down on the Coke, and the normal force is the table again, which is holding the Coke in place and making them in static equilibrium. Gravity is pulling down and normal force is pushing up, and the pushing up and the gravity pulling down is equal, and so it's static equilibrium. Spring force. The spring I'm pulling down is force applied because I'm pulling it down, and the F elastic is the spring because it's stretching out, and they both equal up into static equilibrium. They're both equal, so elastic and applied are the same, making it all into static equilibrium. And this is the end. Peace.